Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook profile has some issues. Make sure to watch the video until the end not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So you might start by figuring the issue by going to the top three buttons on the left side, and then from here when you go and click on settings and privacy under the settings section, you might get a banner right here in the middle of it saying that your profile has some issues. Now the first solution is to look into the details in the bottom that is below it. And once you do that, then it's going to do a quick checkup after you proceed, and then you can either verify with your identity card, or you can go through the procedure that the Facebook app gives you. Or another solution, you can just go to your Chrome tab, and then from here search for the Facebook Help Center. And this is the new updated Help Center, where when you go to it, is going to provide you with this interface, and you have this type of chat and all of these options below. Now, word of support is that if you log in to this website and you log into your Facebook account, it will automatically detect any possible issues and you can select it and solve it in a much easier way. So once you log in, then you're going to go to the questions right here and then click on solve problems with Facebook profile. And once you do that, then it's going to lead you to the next solution and it's going to give you the main chat for it. So you can see right here all the problems, fix a problem on their profile. And then once you go there, then it's going to give you the entire procedure that you must do and where you're going to have to log in and report on the Facebook applications. So you can either open it or continue chatting with Meta AI. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.